Rehan, this is the poultry farm in Rabwah. Rehan, Samir, oh my God, in millions. Kareem is here. Rehan, Dishan, millions of chickens laying eggs. No, don't do that, please. Don't touch it. Don't make them frightened, please. Don't do that. Please don't do that. Rehan, the man is coming there. Come here. Oh, she just laid egg. Oh, laid egg. Have a look.
It's warm now. Can you find it?
Rehan, come that way. You're making them frightened. Come here. Come here. Come here.
It's touching it. Why?
You get that.
Come on, dude.
My God. Come on, let's go. It's a big farm.
Where are the chicks?
It's a big farm. Donkeys, khotas, and a fish farm there. That's the fish farm. They have fish there. Big poultry farm. And a well. Lovely fish here. Oh my God, there's a lot of fish in there. There's a fish pond and they have fishes in there. Don't go in there.
Where's fish?
They have a big fish inside.
Daddy!
Fish.